It's July 18th, about 10:30 at night, and this is what the bees sound like when they're evaporating honey to make nectar. And there's a little breeze coming out of the front entrance of the hive. You can feel the power of their work. And also I can smell the aroma of the honey. It's going to be good honey this year.